All right. Well, as you could probably tell, this is an SRT 392, a 21. And I bought some LEDs for the interior, including, there's a little bulb in these here. That's for these right here, up in here. See? I didn't put them in yet though, but okay. So what I did want to show you, so this is the bulb that was in the map light. Okay, I took it out, which is that one. So also the cover that you see here, the guy, there's a video, the guy says, oh, you can't take it out, but you can. You got to start on this end first. Put a pry. This came with a little tool. See, so you stick it up inside there and pop it down. Now, on here, if you notice, see, there's like a little lift there. All you're really doing, it just slides inside here. You just got to wiggle it out carefully so you don't break it. It goes back inside, and you push it up, blah, 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 and that's it. Okay? So what I'm going to do is use a tool that I have here. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Oh, here we go. Okay, so here is the cannabis, okay, the stock light, and this one, I'll turn it on like this here. There's a little lever in there. Can't reach it now. Make me out to be a lawyer. There, see? Now look at the difference. How white that is compared to that. All right. That'll be the end of this video for right now.